Hey, what's up everybody? Eric with Solobox. On the shop today, I am assembling a bunch of boxes. I just assembled another batch and shipped them the day before yesterday. And so, quick turnover here. Getting these, most of these are spoken for, but there are a few extra things in there, an extra top box, and I think some extra side cases. Got an extra set of Gen 1 V-Strom frames too. Watching some John's Arcade on the YouTube. I bought something I've wanted since 1983 or 84. Yep, I did it. I got a Donkey Kong. But it's the greatest video game ever made. So anyway, I am in the shop working on this, and I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. People that know about these deburring tools just about come unglued. They love them so much, and I don't understand it because this thing just is totally ineffective. When I drill these holes, it leaves a burr on the inside, and this thing just doesn't do it. And I don't know why it took me 9 years to come up with this game plan, but what it finally dawned on me today is if I used a larger screwdriver or drill bit on the inside and just hit that really quick, it knocks it right off. Works great. Took me 9 years to come up with that. So anyway, that's what's going on out here in the shop today. I'm thinking about selling my 1150 GSA. Not sure if I'll do it yet or not. I scrubbed it up real good with pressure washer yesterday. I don't know. I'd kind of like to have the money. Pannier season's going to be kicking off here really quick, and so I was thinking that if I was to sell this off, I would just probably throw all that money into aluminum and materials so that I could be building just massive batches of boxes and really push them hard. Spring is really the time of year that I make the most money. Things actually taper off relatively quickly going into summer. Most of the people that have a trip coming up have already bought their panniers for the season. So right now is the time for me to really be hitting it hard. So I don't know if I'll sell it or not. I've still got the KLR, and I do like the 1150. It's just, you know, I was really hoping that I'd be able to go out and do trips, but I don't think Asher's really ready to do stuff like that right now. Probably next year. So I don't know. I'll probably end up holding on to it, but we'll see. So anyway, that's what's going on out here in the shop. I'm going to get back to doing the assembly. I'll put in a real solid day, and then I'll probably go play myself some Donkey Kong. Talk to y'all later. Eric Solobox.